going today, guys? Good, great. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on how I usually do my makeup every single day. And yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. So just as it says right here, make sure to subscribe, like the video, follow my TikTok, Cadence Ray White, follow Mona Lisa's Insta, Mona Lisa's Underbite, and enjoy. Do all of those things pretty please. And yeah, that's basically the intro. Now let's get on with this makeup tutorial. So now I'm here at my vanity. You can't see everything because my vanity has like a little square thing and I can't really show everything I'm doing, so I'm kind of gonna hold it up for you guys. Oh, my gum is making me sound weird, guys. But yeah, so let me show you some of the makeup I have. So first off, this bag is open. Okay, this is kind of my brush bag. It has my brushes, so yeah, and I understand I don't use all the brushes for the things that they are used for. I've never actually really watched a makeup tutorial before, so I can't really take it from anybody else, so I kind of just winged it when I first did it, and now I'm still doing it. But those are all my brushes, and then I also have this, my only lipstick is that purple one. I don't have any reds or anything. The most that I have is eyeshadow. I have tons of eyeshadow. So the brushes that I always use, oh my gosh, let me open this thing up. The brushes that I always use are this for my blush, doing that, and then I use this for eyeshadow, this for lipstick because that's the only lipstick I actually have, but occasionally I wear a lip gloss and it just makes my lips look super glossy. My mascara is in there. You can't even see the cover because it's so worn off, but that, and then occasionally I use other stuff. Occasionally I use this, but to be honest, today I don't really think I'm going to use that, but I might. I'm also saying whenever you're doing makeup, I recommend putting your hair into a ponytail or something, so your makeup doesn't get in your hair or it gets in the way. So now that we've got that covered, I'm going to show you all my eyeshadows. Okay, so this is one of my eyeshadows, just 4-pack. Then I have 2 of these. Yeah, so these 2, I actually don't know where my mom got them. She got them from I honestly don't know. I think it was Dollar Tree. I'm not sure. But all that for $1. And then this I got from my cousin, so I have no clue what expense it is. And also, I like using this a lot. I got this for Christmas, and it's just it's really awesome. Look at all that. You can see it. Okay, but those are all the colors, so I love using that because there's, as you can tell, there's a bunch of glittery ones, and then there's also a bunch of normal ones. And so occasionally I'll use that. I'll leave it in for now, and then also I have this, pineapple. I'm planning on bringing a lot of this makeup onto the cruise because we're going on a cruise in 7 days, in a week. We're on a cruise in a week. I'm going to be vlogging that. But yeah, so in here we have more-ish of kids, little kid blush and everything. Oh, I do have, I do have these 2 lipsticks, which they actually do work pretty well, but honestly I usually just prefer the other one. And then this one, I will do a makeup tutorial look on this one if this video, you know, gets enough views. But this is how I do my sunset color on my eye, whatever. I have a lot of other stuff in here too, like this is the darker shades and some other eyeshadows that I use for my tinier brushes that I showed you before. Oh, and then also, I can use toothpicks sometimes. Sometimes I use it to like wipe off like part of my lipstick that I do, but it just comes out very useful in the end. Oh, and last but not least, I have my Maddie setting spray. And this is just obviously to keep your makeup on for a good amount of time. And I have some other stuff in there, but for now, this is what I'm going to be using. So, I have all my stuff out, except for one thing. My blush is in here. Come on. There. This is my blush that I always use. It's just a pink one. I usually try holding back on it because a little pinch of this can make you look like you got a sunburn. So I have to be really careful with blush. One time I wore blush at school and it was like so bright that everybody was like, do you have makeup on? But I wanted it to be a light look so they couldn't tell, but they could. Okay, now let's get on to the actual makeup thing. So here we have the eyeshadow. So the one that I use a lot is this like gold one. This gold one is so pretty. So that's usually what I use, but I also occasionally use one of the glitters from here, but I'm not really feeling in that much of a glittery mood. So, you know, I think I'll do this one and maybe clear it out or like make it a little bit, like have shades with this white one. So, my brush still kind of messy. So, I think I'm starting off with like a little bit of this one. Oh, by the way, I don't have any foundation or anything. My mom does, and occasionally I use it, but honestly I don't really feel like you need foundation because you just need foundation if you have like acne or something. No, I don't need it. See, again, I'm self-taught, so this isn't too good. I thought I'd make a more relatable makeup tutorial video because, like, filming a James Charles one, you need all these, like, supplies and stuff, and, like, honestly, I'm not the supply maker. I don't have that many supplies. My friend actually has a James Charles palette, though. I do have a thing where, I forgot what you call it, eyeliner, but I don't really like using it. I'm picky. Actually, I'm going to use some of this transition. Looks so cool. Okay. And now I'm just going to kind of layer all of that with my original. Ooh, I like spicy. Okay, sorry, I don't know why I said that. Okay. So now I'm mostly done with my eyeshadow. Now I'm going to do some blush. And I want to add a little bit more eyeshadow. Just because I can't really see it that much. Okay, that's good. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's good. And then my next. Wait. mascara. I have too much eyeshadow now. It didn't look like that much before, but okay, there is my mascara. And now for the finishing touches. Now, usually this starts getting off later, like pretty fast. Usually if I'm just putting on makeup for fun, it doesn't end up sticking for that long, because then I do a lot of stuff later. But like if I'm going to a fancy dinner and I'll wear makeup, like on the cruise, for example, it's probably gonna stick on for longer. I'm so excited for the cruise. Stay tuned. I am gonna vlog it, and yeah, but I'm not gonna be able to post it for a while because obviously I'm gonna need to edit the video, make it, and then I have to edit it once I get back home, and then I have to post it. So I'm trying to make as many videos as I possibly can in this week. So once I don't post in like a week or two, you guys won't be like, did she disappear? I'm not trying to look up to you guys. There's a mirror right behind the camera. Okay, there. Okay. Way too much blush. Sorry. Okay. So usually that's it. This is my makeup piece tutorial. Whatever you call it. Oh. Setting spray. Okay. So, yeah, that's my makeup. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if that wouldn't be too hard. And obviously press the notification bell to get notified to all my videos. And if you want to see the cruise vlog and you're not subscribed yet, subscribe so you'll be able to see that later. I'm so excited for it. And yeah, if you want more videos like this, just like the video and I'll realize you guys like